What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to have a detailed long-term review of OPPO's A94 smartphone. So we will talk about its design, features, camera performance, battery life, and why this is the best camera smartphone in its price segment. So here we go. So the most highlighted feature of OPPO A94 is its camera. So first of all, let's start with the camera performance and features. OPPO A94 comes with the AI color portrait video, a feature that keeps the color of the subject in the video and makes everything else in the background black and white. This feature supports up to 2 people in the frame and it is available for both front and rear camera. So using this feature you can record some great videos with eye-catching visual effect. Similar to the AI color portrait video is the monochrome video feature that keeps one of the RGB color in the frame and removes everything else while recording the video. So you can select one of the red, green or blue filter while capturing the video and it creates a very nice visual effect while popping the primary color of the subject in the video. OPPO A94 also comes with the dual view video. It is not something new or unique, but this feature is usually available on higher segment smartphones. So this is quite nice that OPPO is also providing the dual view video mode on OPPO A94, using which you can record the video simultaneously from both front and rear camera, and you can also change the setup and frame based on the templates provided in the camera application. The imaging capability of OPPO A94 is quite impressive. It captures great amount of details in daylight images. The dynamic range is quite nice, and as expected, the HDR mode improves the dynamic range of the pictures a lot as well. The wide angle camera performance of OPPO A94 is also very nice as it captures distortion-free images with good amount of detail, nice dynamic range and better field of view. The low light imaging capability of the device is quite impressive. Even in the regular photo mode, OPPO A94 captures very nice low light images, and the night mode improves the camera performance in low light situations a lot. The night mode also comes with a dedicated tripod mode, but it is kind of useless because it takes lots of time in capturing a picture and the performance is actually poor compared to the regular night mode. The night mode also comes with few special filters for skyline and cityscape photography that you can use to capture some beautiful professional looking shot of your city at night. The performance of the portrait mode is also quite nice, and it comes with some nice filters like dynamic bokeh, neon portrait, and the AI color portrait is available for the pictures as well. The performance of 32 megapixel front facing camera is also quite nice. It captures good quality images in daylight as well as in low light situation. The performance of HDR mode is quite nice, and it is important to use it with the front facing camera in bright sunny outdoors. Otherwise, most of the time the background will be blown out in the images. The portrait mode is also quite nice. The bokeh effect is natural and looks good. The edge detection is nice, and it also comes with the AI portrait mode. Performance of the macro camera is also quite nice. Very detailed images and close-up shots of the objects, as the OPPO A94 comes with a dedicated 2 megapixel macro lens. So overall, the camera performance of OPPO A94 is quite impressive, and it is one of the best smartphone camera in this price segment, especially because of all of these AI based camera modes and features that you won't find on other smartphones in this price segment. Now talking about the design and build quality, OPPO A94 looks very premium in every aspect. It is just 7.8 mm thin, weighs only 172 grams, and the fantastic purple color variant we got looks just gorgeous. It creates a very nice color gradient effect, and the color of the back panel changes at different angles and how the light is falling on the surface of the back panel. It also comes with a 3.5 mm jack, a dedicated microSD card slot. The screen to body ratio is quite high at nearly 91%, and the punch hole provided for the front camera is also very tiny and small compared to other smartphones in this price segment. But few things missing are that there is no protection provided on the screen of OPPO A94, and there is no IP certification of any kind on the device. The 3D curved back panel looks premium and provides a very nice grip while holding the device in the hand. The camera bump is also very small and tiny, and overall the device looks quite premium and way above its price segment. Talking about the display, we got a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 409 ppi. So the display quality is very nice, it's sharp, the colors are beautiful, and it is very bright as well. It can go as high as 800 nits and the lowest brightness is just 2 nits. So in low light situation you can use the device even without using the night mode and it will not cause any strain to your eyes. It also comes with few AI powered features for viewing experience like AI backlight, all day AI comfort that adjusts the display parameters based on how a person uses the device during different times of the day. It comes with in-display fingerprint sensor that is quite responsive, fast and accurate. It also comes with an always-on display but without any option to customize the always-on display on your device. Talking about the performance, OPPO A94 comes with MediaTek Helio P95 processor that is a bit old and also a bit low in this price segment. You will find some other smartphones with better processors compared to what we got on OPPO A94 in this price segment, but Helio P95 is still pretty capable, and both in our benchmarking test and also in real life usage, performance of OPPO A94 was totally satisfactory and I did not feel any kind of issue in my daily usage. The multitasking or playing high-end games, performance of OPPO A94 was quite impressive. It comes with 4310 mAh battery with 30 watt VOOC flash charge 4.0. So it takes nearly 65 minutes in charging the battery from 0% to 100%, and the overall battery performance is quite nice as well. The combination of low resource hungry software and an OLED display provides nearly 8 hours of screen on time on moderate to heavy usage without facing any issue. It also comes with various power saving modes like super power saving mode, super nighttime standby, etc. to improve the battery performance of the device even more. And talking about the software side, OPPO A94 comes with Android 11 and Color OS 11.1. As we already know that Color OS is very feature rich and it comes with lots and lots of options that you can use to improve your productivity while using an OPPO smartphone. It provides lots of options to customize your user experience both visually and in terms of performance. The high-end gaming related features like game floating windows, the bullet screen messages that we have seen earlier on high-end OPPO smartphones are now also available on OPPO A94. So if you are a gamer, these are quite nice and important features that improves the gaming experience on a smartphone. Overall, OPPO A94 is a very nice smartphone in nearly every aspect in its price segment. The design is very nice and premium looking. The overall performance and battery life, including the battery charging speed, is quite impressive, and the camera performance and the features that it brings in its price segment is way better compared to other smartphones. So if you're planning to buy a smartphone in this price segment, especially for the camera performance and various camera features, then OPPO A94 is one of the best options for you for sure. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.